RXRX stock analysis and price predictions for Wednesday is Recursion Pharmaceuticals stock a buy. I'll be breaking all of it down in this very brief and short 1 minute video. Genuinely looking at RXRX, it's a very decent bullish market. Bro, just like the last thing that I'll be doing, just randomly buying here though, you know, like what I wanted to see is a double break. And seems like I'm getting the first break taking place. So I'll be very mindful, like if there's not a double break confirmation now, obviously I will not be buying again. I'll be patient, you know what I mean? Like rules must be met, because if they're not, then you're just gambling at that point. If you're just trying to feel the, for example, you feel FOMO, you know, trying to take the trade, you're just trading based on your emotions, you know, and those things change. And if you refine, for example, I've refined this for 5 years, it's that a proven process, you know what I mean? So with RXRX, I've got about 8 results in the receipt section here, so there's like not small amount. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails and insights for free, click the first link in the description and I'll keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.